Welcome non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, Twohungry Traveler.
Wow. Mas,
Ano yung masaan?
okra, utong,
Ano masaan?
bukol.
Hello guys, today we have prepared one Indian dish and also it is Filipino dish also, okay, both. I will tell you what exactly. So here, this is called Indian Rasam, because this one what they will do means, they will first fry the tomato and then some chili onion they will also put, but we put only chili, garlic and then the tomato we fry and saute, and after that we add fenugreek powder and then cumin powder and also some little bit sambar powder, not too much, and then we add salt and then make the tamarind water also we add everything. See this one how it is. See, it looks very delicious. I like this one, but here everything they will tell that spicy. And this one is fried chicken. Here we buy this one. This one piece is 25 peso.
You show this one what's
See
inside.
the fried chicken, how it is. See, sorry I burp. See, let's go. I will taste first. See. The outer is very crunchy and inside I can feel this one. See here. It is very tender also. Okay, and next one I will show you. This is IMBUTIDO. This one also they will buy. See, this one is
460.
pork, right? Pork. We fry this one in oil. See here. Pork meat. This one minced pork.
Nema na. Una.
This one is like some little bit sweet, and also you can feel the minced pork also. Next one I will show you. See this one. Okay, here. This is some vegetable we add, and the big one bean, and then paria, and then this one is we add some vegetable also, everything. Okay, see the potato like that. This one is taro. Okay, and this is called jinandan they use. Okay, first I will add the rasam in the rice. Some more I will add. Actually this one they will use to add too much. It's kind of a soup also. It will be easily digest. I will taste this. Sour. It's a tamarind sugar you can pick. Okay. I will put this one. And then with the rice I will take some. Okay. After a long time I am eating the Indian dish rasam. It's very tasty. This one also I will add in potato. Okay. With the rice. See, Indian and Philippines both together. Very tasty. Nice. When you mix with the rice, the pork minced is very sweet and also very tender. Okay, yes, this one I will eat. This one as later I will eat along with the rice also. Little bit I will take. Okay.
And the taro. Are you already giving?
I already ate. I will take the bitter gourd leaves and then I will mix with the rice. Salty, and it is cooked very nicely, not too much overcooked but very nicely it's cooked. It's very tasty. Okay guys, see, I hope you everyone like this video, and there's a lot of food also today we have to eat, and then I hope suppose and then you like this video also. The person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please support our channel. And
What is our channel?
our channel is Twohungry Travelers. Please
And in the Facebook page.
Facebook also, Facebook page we have a Twohungry Travelers. Please follow and like that one. And the person who is supporting, thanks for that, and giving the comment, it's thank you. And I will see you on the next video. And God bless everyone. Bye.